Welcome to Constellation HR. This is your first time logging in, and I just wanted to take a couple of seconds here to go ahead and walk through the process of assigning goals to your employees. So the first thing that you'll need to do is click on the role links. From there, the employee goal library. And this is where you're going to go ahead and click add a new goal and begin to put the goals in for your employees. If it's a goal that's going to be used for more than one employee, you only have to enter it the one time, and then you can go ahead and assign it to multiple employees at the same time. Also, too, if it's a goal for a specific employee or a specific job title, you may want to designate that within the description box so that when you're assigning, if you have a large number of employees, it's easy to recall which goal goes to which employee or which job title. So once you've gone ahead and entered all the information here, then you'll make sure to activate that goal when you're ready to go ahead and assign that, and you'll hit add goal. You'll get a notification that it's been inserted successfully, and then you can go back to your goal library here. If you need to modify the goal, this pencil icon will allow you to bring up the goal and edit it. If you no longer are using that goal, you can just uncheck the active box, update the goal, and then it will become inactive and you will no longer see it when you go to assign goals to your employee. So once you've gone ahead and added all of your goals into the system, the next thing to do is to either go back using the dashboard button and then role links over here, or you can go under goals and notification and assign goals to team. The assign goals to team icon is this one right here. So what you'll do is there'll be a drop down of all your employees and it will sort them out by job title. And then below you'll have a drop down of all your goals that are activated. So if it's an inactive goal, it will not show up right here. So if you created a bunch of goals and you're not seeing them for some reason, just double check to make sure that you activated them, and then they will appear. You'll go ahead and click who you're going to assign the goal to. You'll set the due date and the expiration date. So you'll want to make sure for your situation that that expiration date is before September 30th, so you can use the 29th. All of this is documented and highlighted in the attached user guide as well. And the due date can basically be any day between now and one day sooner than the 29th, so technically the 28th. If you want to assign, and you don't have to assign all the goals, it basically just gives you your library so you can assign different goals to different employees. So we'll go ahead here, and maybe this goal needs to be due at the end of the calendar year and not the fiscal year. The weights need to total 100%, and then you can go ahead and assign that goal. By clicking the assign goal, it will refresh, let you know the goal has been successfully assigned to the employee, and then you'll be able to see that it is already assigned. You can go ahead and go back to the My Employee option, and you can view the goals that are assigned to the employees, their weight, and then any comments that the employee puts in regard to these goals will go ahead and show below. The weightage, the percent completed will show in this column, and then you'll see that it's approved. You will get an email when the percent completed is adjusted, as well as if there's comments that are put into the system. You also can go ahead and add comments under the employee goals. We recommend if you do this that you do have a conversation. The employee will get an email, but if it's something that's crucial, you'll want to make sure that it is talked about in person as opposed to just leaving it as a email item. So if you click on this link here, view assigned goals, you're able to see the goals, who it was assigned to, the expiration date, that due date, and then you're able to go ahead and add a comment and hit submit. This is just an upcoming goal based on the dates within this account, and so you're able to see that as well as here, and then back on the other page as well. So all of this information is in the user guide. It's just another quick walkthrough here. Go ahead and again, to see all the goals that are assigned to your employees, it's under Goals and Notification, View Assigned Goals, and you can go ahead and see all the information here as well and add a comment. It's also accessible under the My Employees, Assign and Review Goals. If you needed to update goals, add an additional goal, make changes, you can use this Update and Approve button. Let's say you wanted to change the weight to 75 and 25. You could do that and then update button right there. And you'll be able to see that the goal has been successfully updated and the new weights. All of this again is in the user guide. If you have specific questions, please feel free to reach out either to HR or us at Constellation HR directly, and our email address is support@constellationhr.com. Thank you so much.